Uh, I'm gonna do a house tour video so everybody else can see it. Bruh. What is going on over here? Anyway. So, for everybody in the Discord, I updated it to have, fancy. Then, over here, and then the front part, and then we got, like, the garage area, I guess. I added some flooring, and then here's the kitchen. It's kind of broken, you know. And then we've got this area where it's supposed to trap people, but yeah, it's the bedroom. Then I didn't mean to do that. So yeah, that's the bathroom right here. Let me just find a bathtub real quick. Okay, got, you know, chillin', yes. And then have a living room because I messed up the living room, bedroom and bathroom, but it's fine. Then we've got the movie theater, just like the one I made yesterday, but this time it's like 3 times smaller. Anyways, that's it. Bye.